Hello guys, very quick and casual here. I'm Matt. Today we'll be going over a small community project that I've been researching and developing for a couple of weeks now. Um, yeah, so I guess you all heard about autonomous agents like Baby AGI or AutoGPT and others, and how can they be set up to autonomously execute tasks and search web, get their data, and whatnot. Right, so that's exactly what we are trying to build here in this application. Um, so just showing a little bit more about it. This application is supposed to have our own agents, right? Um, Very open AI type of UI, you might say. So you can access different chat conversations here. We can copy the code. Yeah, this is an example code. And you can also create a file with a certain code. So this is the state now um, of our beautiful application. So you are, you might notice that I'm not very looking to improve and make it beautiful, right? We are solely focusing here on the functionality of this application, right? So you can see that I have to add activity loader to this and erase this input here when we press enter. But those are details that I'll be handling later on. So this is supposed to be a community project that I'll be releasing open source. So let me know, what do you think about this concept? The application at the moment is mainly the chat working, right? So we got here a TypeScript code. It's mainly this chat UI for now. For now, let's take a look on our system architecture for this application. Let me just change here. Okay, cool. So over here you can find the relationship graph of our data models. In our front end, we will have the VSCode extension that simply displays a React web page, right? So yeah, over here on our server, we have our main entity, which is agents, and we have a lot more. Uh, we have also these other ones here, but they are related to agents like task management, attention models, context, decision models, skills, and whatnot. I'm gonna go over them in a bit. So for now, what we gotta understand about all of these systems that uses OpenAI GPT-4 API is that everything is gonna be compressed down to an array of messages. A message it's an object with content and a role, and the payload that we will be sending to OpenAI will be an array of those. So it's a chat, right? A chat. Right. Having this in mind, we can create these many abstractions here to represent different modes or different aspects of our state, of the agent context state. most precisely, because if you think about everything when using those tools are about context. You know, guys, um, GPT-4 is actually pretty damn good if you add the right data, the data that it needs. You know, and as long as you are being clear and efficiently providing this data, GPT-4 is actually pretty good to from creating high level concepts and high level architectural structures to low level code and whatnot. So what we only need to make it also more accessible to other people is to figure out a way of editing all of this information into a certain agent, right? So having that in mind, one of the main features of this application is that we will have a development mode. What this basically does is that we will be the AI, the agent, will be constantly asking the user on how it should be, on how it should behave itself on various aspects, right? So, what are the attention models a certain type of agent should have? What is a decision model that a certain agent should have? A solution suggestions, question suggestions as well. So think this basically in a conversation where you will be teaching an employee on how to do the various processes of your enterprise or your enterprise project, right? So whenever you hire someone to participate in a project of yours, you need to give this context, you need to give this information about various processes, right? So that's what we are trying to achieve here. Uh, it will also be in a chat way format, and the AI is supposed to also give a lot of question suggestions as well. So let's say that I'm not a particularly very well established financial engineer. So I can't know what will be the questions that I should give my financial agent if I am not a good financial engineer, right? It's simple as that. So in terms of accessibility, I thought of the AI continuously suggesting questions to the user so the user can make it and the user can at least choose whatever seems uh, more logical to the user, right? All right, great. So with that outside of the way, these are probably the direction that this application is going, right? As I said, it'll be a community project. So if you'd like to participate, I'm not gonna leave any links down below because YouTube doesn't probably will not like it. So please just comment and I will reach you on your DMs with the link of the open source project and where we at. I'm not so sure if I will release this extension because yeah, I mean the extension on the extension store, I mean. So yeah, over there I don't think I will be releasing it. So you have to probably set up everything by yourself. Yeah, but that's it, guys. So for now, I think we are good. Let me know if you have any questions, and I see you later.